Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some charging cables, so we're going to check these things out. I'll show you them here if I can open the bag. It can't open. Is it going to open? Yeah, there we go. So, super fast chargers. Okay, so it comes with a little nugget here. So this is the charger. It says super fast charging. So that should be super fast charging, and it says the PD fast charger on there. Let's see, does it say how many watts? I don't know, I can't read it, it's too small. But also it comes with two of the wires, so it goes USB-C to USB-C. So if you have an iPhone 15, you can use it, or as I have an iPad, and I also have a MacBook. So we're gonna try it on both those and see if we can get charging going on either of those. So let's see, so it just simply goes in there for the USB-C. I'm going to open up my laptop here, and I have my iPad here. I don't know, I think it's already charged. I'm already at 100%, but we'll see if it even just shows up with the charging symbol. So let's plug this sucker in here. Okay, we are plugged in, so we should have power coming out of here. And when I plug it in, see what it is. It wants to charge, so it says 100% charge. Let's try it on my laptop here. My laptop is at 100% too, but I'm going to give this thing a try and just see if it says it's charging. When it is, it does say power source, power adapter, and it says fully charged. So it is charging. It does seem to work. And let me just see here. Does it say? It does. I'm sure it says the watts. I think I just have so many the lights in my eye. 2.7 amps, I guess, is what it is. So that's a lot more than those little nuggets that are like 0.5 or something like that. So it's probably not going to be able to charge my laptop while I'm sitting there processing videos or anything, but it'll charge it overnight and stuff, which is what I mainly do. And my iPad will probably do fine for that. If you had an iPhone 15, it would do great for that, or any other USB-C thing. So it's really nice to have an extra USB-C charger. I kind of like the way it's black. All the other ones are white that I have, so this will actually matches some of the stuff I have in the other room that is also black. So very nice little setup. So very cool. Thumbs up from me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.